In this video I will show you how you can get steel and bloom in ICARUS. So to be able to get it, firstly you need to have tier 2 unlocked. And then you want to craft this crafting bench, it's very first item. And once you have crafting bench, you want to research this mortar and pestle. And then you want to craft it in the crafting bench. And you also want to research this steel and bloom. And to be able to craft this steel and bloom in mortar and pestle, you need iron ore and coal ore. So you need to go to it and you need to have 6 iron ores and 1 coal ore. Or you can also use, if you don't have coal ore, you can use this charcoal from campfire. So there are 2 ways how you can craft it. I'm gonna show you. So the first one is with coal ore. So you need 1 coal ore and 6 irons to get 1 steel and bloom. And then second way is from charcoal. So you need 20 charcoal and 6 irons. And once you have this steel bloom, to make this steel ingot, you want to craft this concrete furnace. And to be able to craft it, you also need to craft this cement mixer. So you need to have tier 3. So firstly, this cement mixer, because you need to craft concrete mix for this concrete furnace. And then once you have this concrete furnace, you can go to it and you just want to place this steel bloom inside. And it will automatically start creating this steel ingot. So this is how you can get steel bloom in ICARUS. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.